does your baby cry while being photographed? In this video, I will share 2 solutions that worked for our family. Tip number 1, time it right. In this case, timing is everything. Observe your baby. When is she cheerful? Upon waking up? Yes? No? After eating? Yes? No? After playing? Yes? No? After bathing? Yes? No? Which scenario did you answer yes to? Great! You have now discovered the best time to take baby's photo. Tip number 2, time yourself. Take photos for 3 minutes only. If you don't get nice photos within those 3 minutes, try again next time. Anytime baby cries, stop. Give baby and yourself a good photo shoot experience. When baby has a good memory of your photo shoot, you can increase the time limit next time. These really work. Good luck!